How to fix the issue where your Samsung phone screen is black. So whether your phone screen is unresponsive, it won't turn on, or it's just not working in general, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this issue. Now, first thing you need to do is just make sure there's sufficient charge in the phone. Obviously, if there's no battery, that will be the reason why you're seeing the black screen. So just go and make sure your phone's plugged in on charge, and you'll need to leave it on charge for around about 20 minutes. You may also need to use another charger just to rule out an issue with the charging cable. Now, if that doesn't work, then we'll need to perform a soft reset on the phone, and don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal data. So all you need to do is go and tilt your phone onto its side like this, and you need to hold down the volume down button and also the power button at the same time. Now we need to hold these two buttons down for around about 30 seconds. Now even when the screen is black, you're just going to continue to hold these buttons down. You may feel the phone vibrate after about 20 seconds. Just continue to hold these buttons down all the way until you see the Samsung logo appear. Once the Samsung logo appears, that's when you can go and release these buttons, and the phone should then restart, and it should have now fixed that black screen issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.